So there has been a lot of hype around Premiere Mobile and now it is finally here. It's a completely new video editing application from Adobe, and the best part, it is free to download and use. I have been using this application for almost 2 weeks now, and I think it is going to impress a lot of users because it offers some excellent features. Now, one of the interesting things to note here is that this application is going to compete against some popular applications like Capcut, InShot, VN and a few others that most of us already use. So let's check out some of the key features that make this application stand out. Starting with the interface, it is very simple and user-friendly, where you can pick the media from your gallery, create new blank projects, or directly start using AI features. But these AI features are not completely free. They require credits. And for now, it looks like you will get 10 credits per month. So that's pretty decent. One of the best features is the unlimited multi-track timeline. So you can add as many video, audio, or text layers as you need. There is no limit here. This is going to be helpful if you are planning to create some complex projects where you have to use a lot of B-roll, text, or sound effects. Next one is 4K HDR editing. If you record HDR videos on your phone, this feature is going to make a big difference. Most editing applications reduce brightness or kill the dynamic range when you export, but Premiere Mobile is going to keep the full HDR quality intact. So your final video is going to look sharp, detailed, and as vibrant as the original footage. I also found that the color grading is really good on Premiere Mobile. And if you are familiar with Premiere Pro, which is a very popular software for PC, it looks like Premiere Mobile has a lot of similar features but in a compact form. You get the normal filters like any other video editing application, but then you get the actual grading, which in my opinion is one of the best features present here. If you master these features, you'll definitely end up creating cinematic and high quality videos. You can also send a copy of your video to Premiere Pro desktop for seamless video editing. This is really amazing if you are into Adobe ecosystem. And finally, there is also an option to remove the background and there is no watermark. For now, it looks like most of the features required to create good quality videos are completely free, and I hope it stays like that and this application does not end up like Capcut where everything is paid now. There are some paid features as well, but only if you want extra cloud storage or use a lot of AI generated assets. Premiere Mobile looks like a decent video editor for smartphones, but it is not perfect because some important features are missing. There is no keyframe support, which I believe is one of the most important features anyone would expect. Fonts, transitions and animations are very limited right now. I was also checking the online reviews and most users are complaining about the missing templates. So if you use a lot of templates in your edits, this is going to be disappointing for now. There is also no chroma key, so green screen editing is missing, and slow motion is also very simple right now. But Premiere Mobile has a lot of potential. It just needs a bunch of really good updates to match applications like Capcut, InShot, VN and KineMaster. And because it is from Adobe, they can definitely turn things around. Another major problem right now is that Premiere Mobile is available only for iPhones. So if you are using an Android phone, you have to wait for some time. But once it is available, I think it is going to be very popular because it offers some excellent features. I'll keep you posted when Premiere Mobile is available for Android, so don't forget to subscribe. If you have already started using Premiere Mobile on your phone, please let me know about your experience in the comments below. And please also let me know if Premiere Mobile is going to replace your current video editing application. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.